Hello. So that's how I made to work video player in traceroute. I've cheated a bit, but I will explain later. So here you can see the code. First, it converts video to a Braille. Here's the function. So script takes the video and breaks it down frame by frame, converts it into black-white, drops into the resolution of 56 to 40, and then uses Unicode Braille characters to represent the pixels. Then each frame is packaged with the ANSI escape sequences to tell your console to clear the screen and draw this exact frame. Then we have DNS spoofing magic. So basically traceroute prints the hostname, so the router bounces through. The script exploits this by writing hundreds of fake IP addresses into the system's etc hosts file. So that's how I cheated, because the delay of making a DNS server is too big for doing video with it. So that's the only thing that can help to play Bad Apple in 30 FPS. However, instead of mapping them to normal host names like Google.com or something like, I don't know, GitHub.com, it maps them directly to the entire Braille video frames with that one's ANSI escape sequences. So also it creates isolated network namespaces to prevent messing up the actual computer's internet connection. So the script builds two virtual network rooms linked by a virtual Ethernet cable. One room is where you run the traceroute, and the other room acts as a fake router. Then here's the fake router function. Inside the fake router room, a custom Python script listens UDP packets sent by traceroute command. Traceroute works by incrementing a time to live counter for each network hop. When our fake router receives these probes, it dynamically crafts fake ICMP time exceed error messages using raw sockets for falling into etc host file. So that's how I made it. Let's see how it works.
まだ知らないの